And welcome to Burton Caravan Centre, Thetford. My name's Phil, and today I'm going to be showing you around our brilliant example of a Bailey Pegasus Grand Messina. Now this van, fully laden, is going to weigh 1,800 kilograms and has a shipping length of 7.87 metres. Now this is a twin axle van, it's 4-berth, and as you can see, the exterior condition of this van is perfect. No marks or blemishes. This van is in really good condition. So, coming to the front of the van now, we're going to start off. It's got Alco ATC, that is always a good option to have. It's got external gas here, and it's also got external 240. So, we're going to step into the van now. Stepping through, it's a very light and airy space. As you can see here, that is mainly provided by the Bailey front curved panel and of course the overhead lighting here. So this is actually in the G-shaped lounge, very desirable. This is going to allow for you to have a seated space but also have plenty of room to sit around. And of course on the left hand side you've also got the option for a TV with your aerial here and of course your power supply. So yeah, the lounge is just a really usable space, really light and airy. You've obviously got blinds and you've got bugs there. And yeah, it's a really pleasant space to be in. You've obviously got your DAB radio, which will be fully Bluetooth enabled. That's going to play through your JVC speakers. You've got your digital aerial here. So coming round now to the kitchen, we're going to start off, we've got a Truma control panel just over here. And then we've got a large sink, perfect for families. And then we have a worktop. I always like this with Baileys, they give you additional workspace and then lift that up once again. Then we've got 1, 2, 3 gas hobs and we've got an electric hot plate. And there's just so much space in this van, I mean you can tell by how easy it is to walk around. It's perfect for families, you know, bigger groups of people. So coming up top here, we've got our grill. And then below that, we've also got our oven. We've also got the large Dometic fridge. Well, fridge freezer, should I say. And then we've also got the Russell Hobbs mirror finish microwave. So we're going to step through now to the bathroom. Yet again, really spacious shower here. And then coming across, we have our vanity sink. And we also have our electric flush toilet. Now this is good with the having the middle washroom. If you've got your family with you, you know, you can keep that area separate. And then you have your own space here. So walking through now, the bed is currently in day mode, but it also has a night mode. So we'd slide that out and that's going to give you additional space, just ensuring that you have a really well rested night's sleep. So up top we've got his and hers style storage. We've also got plenty either side with once again overhead lighting if you wish to have that open. So yeah, just really usable caravan, lots of space, really airy design, perfect for families. So we currently have this van up for £20,995. If you have any queries or questions, feel free to either give us a ring or drop us an email.